Hi, I'm Robin Larrabee, and this is my reflection video for training and motivational development. I used to be one of those PowerPoint junkies who felt that everything in the world, all my information had to be on the PowerPoint. And I did learn somewhere along the line that that is not necessarily the case, that less can really be more. After reading Presentation Zen, I've learned that less really is more. PowerPoint isn't just a way to disseminate information, it's a way to pass along an experience. It also opened my eyes to being in front of the camera a whole lot more often. Although I'm used to talking in front of people, I've spoken to hundreds of people at a time, this has really gotten me to force myself to watch, really start to learn a whole lot more about how you present.
When you watch yourself actually doing something on the camera, you start to realize you have these really quirky things about you, and that might be what the students are looking at when they stare at you while you're lecturing. I also realized my personality is kind of odd and strange. I've also realized that watching myself make the mistakes as I was making them really shows me that when I'm in front of the classroom, it's okay to make a mistake. Of course, when you're recording, things need to be close to perfect, but they can't always be perfect, and you have to embrace that and know that.
I've also really started to appreciate the art of sharing. I found that as I was doing my projects, I would check YouTube often to see how many other people had submitted, and I would watch theirs. And I would think to myself that whatever it was that that person was doing, is that something that I wanted to emulate, or is that something that I wanted not to do? Doing the peer critiques was also quite helpful, because then we got to share with each other how well we did, what areas we could excel in, which areas really needed some other work and some other help. So doing that was extremely helpful for me.
Hopefully getting out from behind the desk and actually getting out there with the students is going to make me a better teacher.
And I found that watching some of my teammates and some of my classmates, and even those from before, there are some wonderful, wonderful technology tools out there that I can use, which really is the crux of the whole part of why I'm here and in this program.